Alright. Hey, it's me, I'm JC, and we're doing wash day. But more important, this shirt means TGIN. Thank God it's natural. And all month long, the reason why I'm wearing this shirt is because this is No Shave November, and I've been chosen as a male ambassador for No Shave November. Real quickly, No Shave November is for prostate cancer. So you not shaving your beard all month helps. You're not going to shave hairs. You shouldn't shave your beard. If you call your beard a name, yes. Alright, now my hair does look kind of great, but this is just an old hairdo. Today's wash day, so I'm going to show you a little bit what I'm going to do with the TGIN products. Now that means it's going to be using 4 products only. Yes, only 4. Now I want to start with this. This is the shampoo conditioner. This is the shampoo, moisture rich, sulfate free shampoo. It has olive oil, which is a great ingredient. And I'm going to just show you everything, and I'm going to review the products later on this month. Now, just so we can like kind of capture our time. Real quickly, this shirt though. I mean, let it grow natural. Let it grow natural, just saying. Now, real quickly, I love this. I love the fact that this is moisture rich in olive oil. It's a great thing to have hair grow fast, real fast. Then I have the Tea Tree Super Moist Leave Conditioner. This is a 2-in-1. Yes, this is a 2-in-1. I'm going to be conditioning my hair as I do with shampoo, and then I'm going to be using this as my styler. So, that means this is going to be a lot of purpose. This is going to be a full purpose item. And I brought 2 more things. I'm going to be using this as a refresher. This is rose water curl refresher. So after I shampoo condition, I'm going to probably be using this as my L, as an added L, but I like this as an L. As you know, I love LOCs, so this will be the L for the LOC because it's rose water and it has so many. This right here, it smells really good. As you know, I've used this last week to talk about hairs in the lip balm. It has rose water, and then it has green tea extract. It has another flower, mother green flower extract, and it has borax extract, glycerin. So a lot of this is going to help with the L. Glycerin is a beautiful thing for your hair. Then it's oil. Now this oil actually is about to serve 2 purposes. I'm going to be putting some of this hair oil in my hair right now. Yeah, I have something to say about that, but this is argan oil. This is Argan Replenishing Hair and Body Serum. Now this has argan oil and coconut oil. For this, I'm going to be using some of this to do my twist. I'm going to have my hair twisted first, and then I'm going to be styling my hair so you get a full feel of how I'm going to be using this for how I use it in a week. So, all 4 of these is pretty much on my hair, and I'm going to stop. I'm going to be showing you what I'm going to do real quick. I gotta take the shirt off because I got to get it on for all month long. So, hold on real quick. I'll be right back. Hey, I'm twisting my hair. As I told you, I used the serum, the hair serum already as a starter. Yeah, you're seeing me going, oh, I'm putting that back first. Now, what I do for wash day is this. I have my hair in twist. I already have my hair in big chunky twist, so when I detangle for the style I'm about to be using my hair in the end, it's gonna be all worth it. Last but not least, I break it in half from the back to the front. What I've been using lately is this right here. Now, I've used the big one. This is like really cheap in my store. I get it like $2. This is $1, and it's 2 of them that come in one. So, real quickly, you just section here off one time. My hair is already my hair naturally does a little mid part. So naturally just keep going with the part that you have, and we'll section this side off. I'm going to show you a little bit, and then I'm going to finish this up off camera properly. As far as the back, I only do like 4 up to 5. I don't do that many for my back side. My back only has at least 4. And then up here, just at least 3, upwards of 5 twists. And first, just gotta go like that. And you just section some hair off, as I'm about to do now. I'm gonna do chunky twists for when I do in the shower. So this will be a little bit more of a smoother wash day when I start. So real quickly, yeah, this is how my hair looks like this. Now this oil helped out a lot. This oil is gonna gives me a lot of slip, and you see I'm just going real fast at it. Now this is just what? This is quick. See? The oil held out a lot. It's a finishing oil. It's a serum. The serum I'm gonna be using as also, as y'all know, before using a part of my LOC in the end. Alright, and you just two. I'm only gonna do like 3 right here. So I have to get that deck right first. And this is gonna be the last one I'm doing. As you see. And this is just not like a quick tutorial. This is showing you what I do. So you can get like a full of my wash day. So you don't feel like I'm not using the product. I'm gonna make sure you understand that I am using the products and this is the first time use. So I'm a little nervous, just be honest. If you never used a product before, this is kind of the thing, and this is the full haul for all my own. So it's about my hair. See what my hair will do all my own with this product line, which I have full faith. Natural nerves, just natural nerves. All right, and this is it. And this is just one side, and I'm coming back with you. Yeah, And now it's funny how quick this can be. For wash day, as far as adding this one step, this helps out for later. Now, if you're interested in doing the same steps as me, how long will this take me? Because I'm doing this for a long time, my hair's longer. This will take, wash day can be up to 2 hours, upwards of 3 hours, depending on the styling moments and kind of how crucial you are with your hair. And if you're a slower person, slower paced person, you're gonna wash, condition slower. That does take time. Now this is going to be like around hopefully just 15 to 20 minutes. So I don't want y'all to understand, like, first and foremost, sometimes these things do take a long time because I want y'all to get as much information as possible. That being this one side done and the back done, I still got to do this one side, and then I got to do a full wash day, showing you what products I'm going to use, and then like that, I'll be right back with you. Hair porn. And it's on Mondays. Okay. Alright. So my hair is now fully done. I did about 3 over here too. Yeah. This is the weirdest parting I've done in a minute, but that happens. This is just for wash day, so I want you to understand that. Now, I'm going to talk about what the order is first. I want to be, because I'm about to, take the shirt off and everything like that. I don't really want to do step for step on camera because generally I have to go in the shower and then I have to set the stuff up, and this is more on the stand, so no. All right, I'm gonna do the TGIN Super Moist. This is the shampoo. I'm gonna be using the shampoo first right here. Then I'm gonna be using the Tea Tree Super Moist, and I'm gonna call it just Super Moist because this is gonna be conditioner first, and then I'm going to be out of the shampoo, out of that, and then I'm going to be doing my styling process. So while that's off, now I'm going to just show you the steps real quickly, real fast, because this is going to be like, oh, he's on camera. That means wash day has happened, and I'm back. Not me wash, just shampoo, conditioner. That's it. I'm going to be starting with this, and I'm going to probably do these two because I like doing L. L stands for liquid. This is my liquid, the rose water curl refresher. Then I'll be going to be doing with the oil. And this is the Argan Replenishing Hair and Body Serum. That's what they call it. So this is what they call serum. Serum is a good line, good product. Now the serum is in my hair right now, as y'all know. Just a little bit of a catcher up. And last but not least, I'm going to be adding this. This is the tea. This is the green tea super moist leave conditioner. Yes. Now that being said, I'm going off camera, so I'm going to probably come back with just those 3 steps. I'm making sure you know this right now so you understand. Because I'm going to make sure I say it again I want you to understand that. Now, all right, try this. Let's go. Hair porn, don't you want? Hey. Alright, I'm back after the wash day. The products do really good. The smell is really amazing too. This is my hair after wash day. Now this is the shrunken version. Now this is at the shampoo edition. One more time, I'll say that just for namesake. This is my hair. This is just a wash day hair. It was actually more stretched a little bit, but shrunk a little bit because it happens. Now, what I'm going with first, and I'm also going to be using, just in case, for argument's sake, I'm going to be using some of the detangler, and I'm going to kind of like stop and start a little bit. Now, because this is like a full-on give you a wash day, my hair looks like a wash day, so people are like, ooh, you want to, I would love this to leave like this, but because I'm going to be styling for the week, I like to have a little pre-style. Now, first, I'm adding the Rose Water Curl Refreshener. So I'm just gonna spray a little bit, kind of all over. And it's just kind of like how I have a spray bottle. And it's kind of great because this is just like a spray bottle, but better actually because it's just a lot, you know. So from that, now I'm not gonna lie, with that, what you should always do anytime you add a product, especially all over, just shake your hair. You can shake like that, or like that. So it's gonna help give you more curls. And it kind of elongates already. Smells really good. That's the rose water. Now next, I'm gonna add the oil next. This is TGIN Argan Replenishing Hair and Body Serum. So same thing. I'm gonna put a little bit, but not too much. I like my hair to have oil all over. And as you know, I do a method where I go like this. So I get all of it there, and then I'm gonna just act like I have a scrunchie in my hand. So I can go all that at the same time. And when I say this TGIN line, it smells really great. But last but not least, I want to be adding the green tea super moist leave-in conditioner. Ready? Alright, so go like this. I'm adding white hue. More moisturizing here. I do the palm method, put it all over. And the same thing, just separate your hair a little bit, go a little bit all the way to the back, and then you just do the palm method. You can just do like I'm about to do right now. And we're gonna just put it like this for a few seconds. And that's it. And it gives me a little bit of a hue, which I got a feeling this is gonna go. So what I do next is this. I'm going to be giving myself some twists. As you know, I love giving myself, I'm a twister, I love twist outs mostly. So with this line, what I'm gonna do first is try two strand twists. Now, I like going this method more, free-forming. First thing first, I'm gonna scrunchie it up like this. I'm going to be pulling. I like to finger this thing off first with my hands, and then I pull a section like this. All right, and what you do first, I naturally, some people go at the bottom. My hair's gotten longer, so I go like this for both sides. Like that. And from that, let me make sure most of my hair is out of the way. And I'm gonna just give you like a full one take only, I'm not gonna lie, I'm about to do the rest off camera and I'm gonna come back with you. Alright. And this is how to strand. Now as you see, get both sides and just keep going like that. Like that. And that's it. Now for the end, I'm just gonna like that. And that's it. Now, that's just one. I'm gonna come back with my hair fully done. And then I can talk about next week of how I'm doing the twist out of it. Alright, get you soon. Hair Porno Tuesdays, don't you want it? Alright, this is the last part of this video. Yes, no lie, I'm putting my TGIN shirt back on because this is the finish of this last video. And as you see, this is how my twists turn out. I did chunky twists. These are like really big but medium. Also, the reason why I did that is also because I did a light trim just to keep my hair healthy and stuff like that. You know, it's winter time, about to be fall, winter. But as I told you before, I'm gonna show you as I went in the process that you just saw. I had this first, and then I used the right here, the Argan Replenishing Hair and Body Serum. And last but not least, I used the green tea super moist leave-in conditioner. And I added a little bit more of this and some of this, just a little bit more. And this is the results it's giving me right now. And that's it for right now. This is it for this video, but I'll be back with you. I'll probably give you a video tomorrow. Yeah, I'm giving you Monday and Tuesday because last week I gave you 2, so this week I get 2. So this is how it looks right now. I'm gonna give you probably just a takedown and how I'm taking this all down. Also, if you want to, go to TGIN. This is TGIN, then got it's natural. If you want to try these products yourself, TGIN is at it's at your local beauty store. It's at Target, and also you can find it online. And also, real quickly, just make sure you understand, next week will be all about my beard. But I want you to also realize real quickly that you have to really have to try your best for all my men out there, for all the guys out there. Let's not shave for this month. And also, every time you take a picture, let's add No Shave November. Like, it's that simple. Alright, I'll see you with the next one. Thank you for staying for the whole wash day into this hairstyle. And I'll see you tomorrow with the next one. Hair porn, don't you wanna? Catch you later.